No gift is too small. Luke 21 verses 1 to 4 in the Common English Bible. A poor widow's offering. 21. Looking up, Jesus saw rich people throwing their gifts into the collection box for the temple treasury. 2. He also saw a poor widow throw in 2 small copper coins worth a penny. 3. He said, I assure you that this poor widow has put in more than them all. 4. All of them are giving out of their spare change. But she, from her hopeless poverty, has given everything she had to live on. Here's another idea for how members of the deaf community can engage with the wider Jamaican society and show them that we too are caring citizens. I know that for many of you, August, September is a difficult time when you must find school fees and money for uniforms, for bus fares, and for a host of other things to ensure that your child can have the best start for the school year. Many of you may have thought that it would be nice to have someone help you to meet these expenses. That would be helpful and welcome by most people. But have you ever thought about what you would do for someone else if you were to be the person doing the blessing? By being the blessing, you are causing someone else to give God thanks for his mercy and goodness. By being the blessing, you are partnering with God to build someone's faith. By being the blessing, you are receiving the benefit of enhancing your own mental and physical health. So, be a blessing by buying an extra exercise book, or an extra pencil, or a pen, or a ruler. Buy this and give it to your child to be put in a box at the school where children who come from families that are even poorer than yours can benefit. May God bless you.